Magandang araw, ako nga pala si Socially Awkward VA at ngayong araw let's address something na most VA beginners silently believe. So pag nag apply yung mga beginner ng mga virtual assistant and things are not working like or it looks like they are not getting feedback or any sort of result, ina-assume agad nila na maybe I'm not talented enough or maybe I'm not skilled enough for this role or for this industry. Maybe hindi talaga para sa akin 'to, maybe hindi para sa akin yung pagiging VA or maybe mas better lang talaga yung ibang tao sa akin. But in most cases, hindi naman siya talent or skill problem. Ang problema talaga is a system problem. And those two things lead to very different conclusions. So sometimes it would feel like a talent or a skill issue dahil nag-a-apply ka naman pero hindi ka nakakakuha ng kahit anong reply or response sa mga applications mo. Nag-aaral ka naman o nagle-learn ka naman ng different things pero ba't parang hindi naman nag improve yung results mo? And you're trying to do something, so you're trying to do something every day or you're consistent with doing something every day pero bakit parang walang nagbabago? So now ang nangyayari is yung utak mo is naghahanap siya ng simple explanation. And then it comes to a conclusion na baka ako talaga yung problema. So because minsan mas madaling sisihin na lang yung sarili mo or your ability than to actually analyze things for you to see what's the problem. So now yung totoong skill problem talaga would be yung consistent ka naman sa ginagawa mo for a few months pero nagfi-fail ka pa din kahit meron ka ng good system. Tapos you keep doing things and wala namang nag-i-improve sa'yo over time after a few weeks, after a few months, wala namang nag-i-improve sa'yo. And then yung mga effort na ginagawa mo is it never really equates to something good or it really never leads to any sort of changes. Pero hindi yun yung problema sa most beginner na mga VAs because karamihan ay inconsistent. Again, karamihan ay inconsistent with what they are doing. Hindi sila consistent sa how many applications sasubmit nila sa isang araw. So, ano lang silang ginagawa nila is mag-a-apply lang sila pag trip nila or pag motivated sila. And they are unstructured. Hindi nila alam kung ilang applications yung dapat nilang gawin sa isang araw or hindi sila nagsiset ng goal para sa sarili nila na dapat nilang ma-achieve. And most beginners also change direction often. So pag wala silang nakikitang results on a specific thing that they're doing, what they're going to do is they switch direction. So baka magpapalit sila ng niche or something along those lines. So, hindi yun skill failure. Ang problema dun is system instability. So, walang stability sa ginagawa nila eh. So, ano nga ba yung system problem? So, yung system problem is wala kang clear na application process. So, hindi mo alam kung ano yung gagawin mo with your applications, like going randomly ka lang and you just do things or you just do things as they go. And also you don't track what works. So wala kang spreadsheet kung saan mo nilalagay yung mga applications mo. Kaya wala kang data also to check kung ano yung gumagana at ano yung hindi gumagana. And you don't repeat yung mga successful actions mo. So pag meron kang mga successful actions na nagkakaroon ka ng feedback or something, dapat i-repeat mo yung mga successful na mga actions na yon. And ayun, you restart too often. So karamihan ng mga beginner pag walang nakitang result is change agad ng direction, like they would switch niches. So kahit may skills ka, hindi sila nagko-compound dahil papalit-palit ka ng direction and papalit-palit ka ng ginagawa. Kaya hindi long enough yung hindi long enough para mag-compound yung mga skills na meron ka. So, yung skills or talent is, it helps you perform certain things or it helps you perform your tasks. But yung system mo yung determine kung yung performance mo ba ay magiging results or will show up in results. Kasi sa freelancing or sa VA industry, one good application doesn't matter. One skill of yours doesn't matter. One course that you take doesn't matter. Yung nagma-matter is repetition inside a structure na ini-improve mo over time. So you need to have structure. So without structure, what happens is even yung mga pinaka-talented na mga beginners is they are looking stuck at where they are, even skillful na mga beginners. 'Di ba meron tayong mga beginners na meron ng mga skills, let's say sa mga OJT nila, or maybe they while studying they do freelance work like editing or like similar done, or maybe video editing, social media posting. So you really need to have structure for you to be able to make this work and for you to become a virtual assistant. Now, let me explain sa iyo yung isang basic VA system. So, first, you need to have input. So, dapat meron kang daily number of applications na sinasubmit mo sa araw-araw. Dapat meron kang daily outreach sa mga employers and clients. For me, when I was starting, yung daily applications ko is minimum of 60 applications per day talaga yung ginagawa ko dati. And I think you should do that as well. Or when you're starting out, you need to have at least a minimum of 60 applications per day. Mas marami, mas maganda. Number 2, feedback. So, for you to have feedback, kailangan magkaroon ka ng replies from clients, rejections. So, ang dapat mong gawin dito is dapat meron kang spreadsheet. So, gumawa ka ng spreadsheet kung saan maitatrack yung mga applications mo, yung link ng applications mo, and also yung mga ginagamit mo ni subject title or cover letter for certain applications. And then, from there, if you have data, you can see kung ano yung mga like ginagamit mo na subject title and cover letters na mas mataas yung response rate. So now let's move on to the third, which is adjustment. So based sa mga feedback na binibigay sa ng mga client or ng mga employers, then what you can do is you need to do some adjustment, do some improvement. So let's say i-improve mo yung resume mo, i-improve mo yung the way you create or the way you structure your cover letter and subject title. Ayun, parang i-adjust mo yung messaging mo depending sa mga feedback na nakukuha mo. And then fourth is repeat. Repeat the process. So yung loop na yon is paulit-ulitin mo siya, and each cycle dapat meron kang bagay na ini-improve and pinapa-better. That's basically it. Walang complexity na kailangan. That's a very simple process. So again, number 1, kailangan mo ng input, which is yung daily applications mo. Number 2, kailangan mo ng feedback. So i-track mo siya sa spreadsheet para meron kang data. And when you get feedback from clients, you note it on the spreadsheet as well. Number 3, you need to do adjustments or improvements. So based on feedbacks na nare-receive mo, you improve your resume, you adjust your messaging. And fourth is you repeat the same cycle, and dapat every cycle meron kang at least one improvement, at least one thing, kahit one very small thing lang. That is basically the secret. So bakit karamihan ng mga beginners is wala silang system? Because yung system, it feels slow at first. Karamihan ng mga beginner prefer nila na random learning lang, learn lang sila kung kailan nila gusto, random applying lang, so mag apply lang sila pag motivated sila or kailan nila gusto. Tapos random improvement lang. So, pag may nakita lang sila or na-realize lang sila, saka lang nila i-improve. Pero hindi talaga based on feedback. So, it feels like you're actively doing things, but the truth is it's not structured and you're just randomly doing things. So, nothing is building up and you're not compounding anything. So if tingin mo meron kang skill problem is you're probably just looking at the wrong variable because karamihan ng mga VA is yung struggle nila is it don't come from lack of skills. It comes from lack of structure and lack of system. And once you build a system na marirepeat mo, mai-improve mo, and then magko-compound, hindi ka suddenly magiging more talented, but you stop wasting time and you start making real progress. And now, again, this is Socially Awkward VA. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.